For the beginning part of today's vlog, I'm going to be doing this voiceover. On this particular day, I actually didn't want to do any talking. I don't know if anyone else has days like that, but I really do enjoy peace and quiet, actually quite often. My ears are really sensitive to certain sounds, and I'm diving off. I don't even know what I'm getting at. I do love having like movie and TV shows on in the background. That doesn't bother me, but there are some days where I just don't want to hear myself talk. I just want to keep my head down and just be quiet. And I don't know if anyone has days like that. Comment down below and let me know if you do. I definitely don't want to feel like I'm the only one that does this, but this happened to be one of those days. I simply just did not want to utter a single sound. And so I'm doing my normal routine, you know, where I get up, I take care of the house, I always fluff the couch, I always have to vacuum just because I like to keep as much dust and pet dander out of the house as possible. And then I'm also making myself some coffee as well. And then, you know, just going around, doing the laundry, and all of those standard routine things that you will find me doing on my vlogs. Good morning, guys. As you saw in the beginning, I was just, you know, doing my normal part of my normal morning routine of tidying the house back up. It's just cleaning the house at night isn't part of my nighttime routine, but that may switch, you know. It would be nice to actually kind of just straight up wake up to an already tidy house, but at night, nighttime's actually my favorite part of the day. It's just the part where I get to relax because all day, you know, I'm doing YouTube stuff. And so anyhow, yeah, so I straightened up and did all that stuff. I mean, there's more to the house I need to do. I need to mop, I need to do more laundry, and I need to clean my office, clean the upstairs, dust, all of that, but that's just not in my ballpark today. I'm getting ready to film a video for my main channel. I'm gonna film, I don't know where to put you guys because I don't have my tripod in here. Sorry that that's an absolutely horrible angle, horrible lighting. Let me back up a little bit. So this is what I'm gonna wear on camera, and I'm just gonna do a little bit of my makeup, and I'm giving my skin a minute because I just put on moisturizer. Well, I cleansed my skin, and then I did my Burt's Bees under my eyes, which I started slacking on. I got a little too comfortable that my dark circles were going away, so I put my Burt's Bees stick back on, my complexion stick. If you guys didn't watch my Amazon video, I think it was about like TikTok stuff, I don't remember, but I'll try to link it down below for you guys. It's from my main channel, and it has wiped away most of my dark circles. I mean, to the point where I can wear makeup without anything under my eyes. And if you watch a lot of my newer videos since that Amazon haul, you can see like that I'm not wearing concealer or anything underneath my eyes, so it's just crazy. But anyhow, so I think my skin's ready. Yeah, so on today's agenda for my main channel is filming the Amazon haul. I was supposed to film a Shein haul today, but I just did not feel like doing my hair. And I want to look nice for, you know, like a try-on video. So I was like, I'm gonna switch the day, so I switched Amazon and Shein. My daughter's currently at work, and all I'm gonna do today, I'm not even gonna do my BB cream. I feel like my skin looks nice. Did I finish telling you guys what I did? I don't even know if I finished telling you. So I washed my face with my Burt's Bees cleanser, and then I put the Burt's Bees complexion stick, and then I moisturized, which shouldn't be like my final morning routine, but that's it for now. And we're just gonna do a little bit of bronzer. It is a rainy day, by the way, in the middle of the night. It was really crazy because at about 1 a.m. I was still up because my sleeping routine is garbage and I need to change it, and I'm changing it tonight. I don't care if I have to take some of my like melatonin sleeping pills to do it, but I've got to switch my sleeping pattern. It just got messed up when my daughter got back from college. And it just hasn't been back. We stayed up one night basically watching Star Wars, a bunch of the Star Wars, and I have not been the same since. So anyway, yeah, other than I just need to focus on getting the Amazon video filmed, and then I can kind of figure out what else I want to do. But whenever it rains, I want to do kind of nothing. I want to like use that opportunity to snuggle on the couch and read a book, because you know, you just sometimes you just don't get rain in Dallas in the summertime. So I'm really happy because it just feels like this is not a year where we are going to go through a drought. So anyways, this thunderstorm, I keep diving off topics, I'm really sorry. But basically in the middle of the night while I was still up at 1 a.m., I got an alert saying that there was going to be a thunderstorm in the area, and I was like, what? I was like, it's completely clear outside. But sure enough, a storm pretty far away was rolling into DFW, and somewhere about 4, 5 in the morning, it was just a good rolling thunderstorm. It was so good. And yeah, so it's not thunderstorming really anymore, but it's still raining, and I think we're supposed to have another day like that tomorrow. But I hope you guys are having a good day. What have you all been up to lately? Comment and let me know so that I can see like kind of like what you're doing, and I mean obviously if you want to. I think I'm gonna go in with a pink blush today. And also tell me if you've picked up like any new hobbies, or like if there's something you want to do and you've been like thinking about it but you haven't done it yet. I mean, as busy as I am running 2 channels, like if I had all the time in the world, let's start our comments like that. If I had all the time in the world, I would ... But I would probably do my planner all the time, planner spreads all the time in multiple planners because I love decorating paper. And I would love to get back into scrapbooking. I would love to just get digital pictures off of the cloud world and get them into physical form and then do scrapbooking of those. That's definitely what I would do if I had all the time in the world. And you know what? I'm going to get there. Right now, you know, I'm really focused on getting this house furnished and all of that stuff, and that just takes time. And I don't want to wait too long either. I don't want for this stuff to happen next year or 2 years from now. I'm really gonna try to focus on getting back to my planning sometime this fall. I'm not gonna be using my craft room to do it, to be realistic. I'm probably going to use my kitchen down here, and that's just how we're gonna roll. Okay, so I'm gonna keep my eyes really simple today, and I'm just gonna do mascara. I think like I'm not even gonna do eyeshadow. This is gonna be just a nice fresh face. And as you just saw, all I did was bronzer, blush, and then I like to put a little bit of powder over because it diffuses the intensity of the stuff. Y'all are getting horrible lighting quality. Honestly, that's not even any better. But I need to go back to the dentist. We have like a whole, you know, plan for I have a couple more cavities that he needs to fill, and then once we finish those, I think there's only 2 more that he has to do, which, you know, I'm not surprised because I eat so much sugar. But unfortunately I'm gonna have to do braces again because I want to straighten my bottom teeth, and I've already been in braces once, so I gotta do it again. But to be fair, I didn't do braces on my bottom teeth because at the time I didn't want to do them because my bottom teeth were pretty straight-ish. This was before like YouTube. Not really. It was actually kind of in between. Like there were spurts, like in the very beginning I wouldn't film for months, for even like a year. So it was kind of like in that period. I don't have very good luck with dentists, but I did finally find a really good dentist and I love him. If you guys like watch my really earlier vlogs, like from 2 years ago, or yeah, I was going to this one lady and she did a deep clean, and I can't talk about it. But anyways, after that, I was like, no, this isn't right. Like, and then she was like, she kept changing what she was saying, like about like the plan for my teeth, and I'm like, but you just said that this is okay, now it's not okay. And so anyway, so I ended up finding another dentist, and I love him, and I'm really happy. So where am I going with any of this? I don't know, but I am now finished. You can see my face. Have absolutely no concealer on, no powder. I mean, you can see, look, like I got a little breakout right there. I have one up here on the side of my face, but you can't really see it. And this is it. I just want to be like nice, kind of glowy, like just fresh skin. I want to see my skin, but I also need some color because, and you know, I don't want to look like a ghost. But anyhow, okay, I'm gonna take a couple sips of my coffee. I'm gonna round up my Amazon items. All right, so I finished filming my Amazon video, and I'm just tackling this one cabinet. I need to clean it. It's been kind of bothering me down in here, and I should have actually cleaned it before I moved my pots and pans in here when I originally moved into this house. But I didn't, so that happened. But I am going to be making a trip to IKEA because I want to do some good organization with these pots and pans. I just don't like how they just float around. So yeah, and I also kind of need some new pots and pan set. This red set is kind of done. I mean, look at this. I really don't know why that happens from the dishwasher, but there it is.